Okay, guys, this is what's going on. I'm in Connecticut, in Darien. Just left the Darien Service Plaza just now, and we had something to eat. So, in the process of eating, I was looking at the maps because looking out the window from the plaza, we noticed the sky in our direction weren't looking so good. So I pulled out the phone, looked up on the weather app, and sure enough, there was a late day T-storm happening on the way home, sort of close to Port Chester, Connecticut. It appears that we are not going to outrun this T-storm and get ahead of it or behind it. We are going right through it, it seems. So I guess I was trying to see if I can get over to the Merritt Parkway, the 15 South, but that's like 10 miles north of this road right here on the 95, the I-95. I can say this much, this is not my first rodeo going through a storm. I've been upstate in New York and anywhere north of the city, and I've encountered some grape-sized drops coming down, hitting me right in the face. I wear a half helmet in the summertime. I mean, in 90-degree days, you ain't wearing no 3/4 or full face. I don't even know how some guys on motorcycles do that. I mean, I will suffocate and melt. That's for sure. Oh man, look at the skies up ahead. That is not good. And you know what's really sucks about riding the 95 south on here? Is the damn commercial traffic. You know, it would be okay, I'm riding down the road, you know, and there's just cars, but you have commercial trucks driving down here at all kinds of speeds. I mean, these guys are crazy drivers this is one of the worst roads, I think, with commercial traffic. And the thing about it is that when I am passing a truck or the truck is passing me, I mean, the kick up from the wheels is no joke. It's like another shower you're getting besides the one come from the sky. Jesus Christ. Man, we are really getting close. I was just looking at my GPS and I can see the map and I can see the bike is getting closer to the red spots on the map. That's not good. It seems that we are almost under it according to my map on my GPS. You guys with touring bikes with the 7-inch screen, you guys have a weather app on there, so you know what I'm talking about. Well, the good thing is that I got American Elite tires on my bike, so I should be pretty good. They're really good tires in the rain, and I should have some pretty good grip, and things should be okay. I'm expecting that this rain is gonna get pretty bad and I may have to go hide under a bridge. I do not bring rain gear with me on any rides. It's never in my any of my saddlebags or my tour pack. So when it rains and you just gotta deal with it. I had a biker see me putting on rain gear and he was laughing at me. Oh shit. Did you see that up ahead? Man, that sky on the left looks ominous, man. Oh shit. We're gonna get it. Anytime it's gonna be like, I don't know, what do you call it? You ever see that movie with Helen Hunt and Bill Paxton, Twister? Oh shit, did you see that flash? I'm wondering if a alien ship is gonna come right through those clouds, because man, I feel like I'm watching like Will Smith's movie Independence Day. Jesus Christ, look at that thing. Look at the way it's the shape is on the bottom side, like it's going down to the land. Whoa. Well, there's one drop on my shield. There's another one. I think we're going in it. Yep, this is it. It's hitting now. Look up ahead. Look at the mist in the air. Okay. Here we go. Oh man, this water is effing cold. Shit. I don't see very well in these damn goggles. They're not good. Okay. Let's keep going here. I'm gonna try to go, what is it, west a little bit and see maybe if I could just bypass it. But now I'm looking at my GPS weather and it's showing me that there's another one in that direction, another red cloud kind of thing. This is not good. I can't see shit. I gotta pull over. All this construction's not letting me do anything, and I'm not even anywhere near under anything coming up. Oh man. Okay, I can't see a damn thing. I have my glasses down and it's hitting me in the damn fucking eyes. They're like bullets. Alright, I'm gonna make a turn here on this road here. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's taking me back to the 95. It just took me on a damn fucking loop. Oh, man. Alright. Just hang tight. I can't see a damn thing. I gotta take this turn slow. I can't see anything. I'm like barely seeing anything right now. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna pull in here. This is all I can do. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna have to hang here for a little while. Jesus Christ. Man, I am soaked right now. Fuck. Alright. Let me just get off, hang tight right here for a little while. Hopefully it'll pass. And I can get going even in light rain. I don't care about the rain. I mean, I ride in rain. It's no big shit to me. Man, my day was going pretty good. We were out on the New York side taking a nice ride, and this is the end of the day. This is my end of the day right here. Can you believe that shit? Damn. Okay, so me and my other half here, we just thought about something. I'll end up staying there a damn hour trying to get home, which is another hour from here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive between the two storms, and it's right now it's light rain. It's not bad. It's good. I can see not bad at all. So I'm just gonna head down this highway. I'm heading southbound on the 95, and that should get me over to Queens, over the Bruckner and the JFK bridge. So it's not too bad. So I'm gonna deal with this. I'm not getting more wet than I already am. Man, that I'll tell you, that water was pretty cold at the first, but you know, once it's on you and you know it's pretty hot out here, then it's okay. It's not too bad, and you're not freezing. But man, it felt like I was in an air conditioning and wet. That is not cool. So anyway, I'm heading down here. Everything's pretty good, but I hate this road. This got the worst bumps, man. I'm sure you can see that in my camera. Every time my camera goes up now, boom, boom, boom. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sign off. I hope hope you enjoyed my misfortune and my shitty end of the day ride. But it's all good. It's all good, man. This is what touring is about. It's either, you know, you get the good and the bad together. So what else? Take care.